Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my new beauty room. I'll be doing a room tour very soon. Today actually though, we're going to be going on a shopping trip. I'm going to be taking you guys makeup shopping with me to a place called Winners. Now, for those of you who don't live in Canada and aren't familiar with what Winners is, it is basically a name brand discount store where you can find affordable items, household items, clothing, accessories, and makeup, beauty items for such an affordable price. Now, if I were to compare it to a store in the States, Winners is very similar to TJ Maxx, a Ross, a Marshalls, or a Burlington. So hopefully today we're gonna find some great deals when we go to the makeup department. Alright guys, so I have a basket full of goodies, of things that I purchased. I'm just going to reach for it right now. This is all the stuff I purchased today, and I'm just going to do a makeup haul. What I was really excited to find, and I couldn't believe my eyes, was the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit. This is in the shade medium, and I did also see the light and the dark shade. This retailed for about $24.99. I believe at Sephora it's over $50 Canadian. I'm so excited to test this out. I haven't tried their cream contour kit, but for like half the cost, that is such a great deal. I'll show you guys what it looks like inside. There we have the 6 shades. And I'm excited to test this out. Next product that I did find was more Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is the Aurora Glow Kit. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like, and it's got a ton of fun colors. Such a gorgeous palette to have, and I'm so excited to add this to my collection. Now this retailed at Winners for about $29.99. I believe at Sephora it's over $50. So you're saving a lot of money being able to find this at Winners. Normally I believe like the single shadows, those retail for $16. So you're saving like a third of the cost. I bought 3 for pretty much that price. Another product that I was able to find, the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip glosses and liquid lipsticks. So I purchased 4 in total. The shades Craft, Madison, Orchid, as well as Soft Lilac. So I'm going to show you what those look like. They range from anywhere from the cheapest being $3 to $9.99. This is the shade Orchid. It's a beautiful purple color. And the next one is Madison. That is also another gorgeous shade. And then I also purchased Craft, which is a little bit darker. And lastly, I purchased Soft Lilac, which is more pinky purple. Another lipstick that I found was the Too Faced Melted Metal. This is a liquefied metallic lipstick. This is in the shade Melted Metallic Peony. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, and I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. It is a gorgeous pink shade. Look how beautiful that is. This retailed for only $7.99. When this was selling at Sephora, it was $24.99. So such a great deal. A brand that I was really excited to see in Winners is also Kat Von D. I purchased this Studded Kiss lipstick in the shade Bachelorette for only $7.99. And this typically retails for about over $20 at Sephora. It's like a pinkish red. I'll swatch it for you guys as well. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. All right, and the next product that I found was the Kat Von D Lock It Color Correcting Eyeshadow Primer. And this was in the shade medium. This retailed at Winners for $3.99. I'll show you the shade. I've actually used this today. It just really allows the eyeshadow to stick on your eyelids. Really liking that product. And for $4, it was such a great deal. Alright guys, so I hope you guys really enjoyed that makeup haul and coming shopping with me. There'll definitely be more shopping hauls in the near future. Thank you guys so much for watching this video today, and I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!